Good morning, students. In last class, we were discussing about linear equations in one variables. We come to know that what is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, an equation consists of a one variable and it has the highest degree should be 1. The variable highest degree should be 1. That is nothing but a linear equation in one variable. In last class we were solving the solution of the linear equations. Okay, and I told you that for a linear equation it has only one solution. Okay, on that base whatever we have discussed in last class, how to find out the solution. Okay, we have done so many problems also. On that base today we are going to solve exercise 3.1. Okay, exercise 3.1. See the first question, solve the following. Solve the following equations. So first question, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now see how to solve this solution. So given x minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. Now we are going to transpose this 2 to the RHS. Yes or no? X is equal to 7. If you transpose means the sign will going to be changed. The minus 2 will become here plus 2. What we will write? Transposing 2 to the RHS. Okay, now see. This implies x is equal to 7 plus 2 is what? 9. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 9 is the solution of equation x minus 2 is equal to 7. If you want, you can verify also. See, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now we will see second question. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. See a solution. Given y plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. To find out here, we have to find out the solution of y. Here to find out the solution of y, we are transposing 3 to the RHS. Okay. Now see, this will become y is equal to 10. Here, if you transpose means the sign will going to be changed. The plus 3 will going to become a minus 3. What is the reason? Transposing 3 to the RHS. Okay, so this implies y is equal to, what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 is the solution of y plus 3 is equal to 10. Now see, 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. You can verify also. Now we will see the third question. 6 is equal to z plus 2. See a solution. Given, what is given? 6 is equal to z plus 2. This is the given thing. We want the value of your variable z. We are finding the solution of this. Yes or no? What is the solution of the equation I told you in last class? Solution of the equation means if you put the variable value here, LHS should be equal to RHS. That is called solution of the equation. Now we will see here, we want the value of z. Yes, we will transpose 2 to the LHS. It will become 6 minus 2 is equal to Z. What we are writing here? Transposing 2 to the LHS. Now say what is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2 is 4. This will be 4 is equal to Z. That is nothing but we will write always the variable first. We will write always the variable first. That is Z is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, Z is equal to 4 is the solution of the equation. What I will write? Therefore, Z is equal to 4 is the solution of the equation 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Now verify here. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes. Now we will see the fourth question. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Okay, see here solution. So given is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Okay, we want to find out here the value of x. What we will do? Transposing 3 by 7 to the LHS. That will be x is equal to 17 by 7. If you transpose means the sign will going to be changed. Here plus 3 by 7. If it will go that side, it will become minus 3 by 7. What is the reason you are going to write here? Transposing 3 by 7 to the RHS. Okay, this will become x is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 7. The 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore, what is the solution? Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution of 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Next we will see fifth one. Fifth one is 6x is equal to 12. See a solution. So given thing is 6x is equal to 12. Yes. Now here I want to know the value of x. Right. Now see, this can be written as here nothing is there means multiplication will be there. 6 multiplied by x it is. 6 times of x it is. Now see I don't want here 6. What I will do? I want to vanish that 6. That's why divide both LHS and RHS by 6. See here. Divide both LHS and RHS by 6. If you divide both LHS and RHS by 6, definitely here this 6 is going to get cancelled, no? Yes. This implies x is equal to 6 ones are 6 twos are. It is 2. What we have done here? We have to want to write the reason. Dividing both LHS and RHS by 6. What we can tell? Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution of 6x is equal to 12. Now say students, verify this. Here in place of x you put 2. 6 2s are 12. We are getting C. Now we will see the sixth problem. So sixth one, t by 5 is equal to 10. Say a solution. T by 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Now I want the value of t here. Yes or no? I want to know the value of t. What I will do? I don't want this 5. We want to vanish this 5. How we can vanish? Multiply both LHS and RHS by 5. Right? See here. Multiply both LHS and RHS by 5. What will write? Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 5. Now see here, 5 will get cancelled. T is equal to 50. Therefore, T is equal to 50 is the solution of the equation t by 5 is equal to 10. Is the solution of this equation. Now we will see the seventh problem. See a seventh one. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. See a solution. See a given thing is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now tell me students, what we have to do? If I want to know here the value of x, here you can multiply or divide, but we have to vanish this 2 by 3. How will vanish 2 by 3? Now see here, what I will do is multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3 by 2. Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3 by 2. Now see here. 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. X remain, I don't know. So multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3 by 2. So you have to see if you multiply or divide by which number it will going to be cancelled. You should have to think about that. If you have to multiply or divide by which number it will cancel, you have to think it and you have to perform that. Okay. Here x is equal to 2 1s are 2 9s are 9 3s are 27. So what we have done here? Dividing both LHS and RHS by 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 27 is the solution of 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Okay. Next we will see the 8th problem. Sorry, it should be here multiplying. Okay, we are multiplying, no? Multiplying both LHS and RHS by 3 by 2. So next, 8th problem. 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. Say solution. Say given is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Now see students, we want to know the value of y. What we will do? How to vanish this 1.5? Multiplying both sides by 1.5? Yes, it is correct. You are absolutely right. Multiplying both sides by 1.5. What is the reason? What we have done here? Multiplying both sides by 1.5. Say 1.5, 1.5 get cancelled. See here, 1.6 into 1.5, it will be 2.4. Therefore, y is equal to 2.4. See here, you should not have to keep 2.4 is equal to y. Always you will write, if you got in maths 25 out of 25, you will write 25 marks or marks 25. You will tell I have got marks 25. You don't tell I got 25 marks, right? First will in common we will tell I have got marks 25. Yes, sir? What I want to tell is variable is equal to, you have to write, not a number is equal to y. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to 2.4 is the solution of the equation. What is that? 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Okay. Next we will see the 9th problem. So 9th one, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. See here students, we will write solution. In solution first we will write given 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Okay. Next what we will do, we will transpose this 9 to the RHS. That will become 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Transposing means just shifting the number to the other side, and the sign will going to be changed. Your minus 9 is 8. It will go that side, will become plus 9. What you have done here? Transposing 9 to the RHS. Okay. Here 7x, what is 16 plus 9? 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 1 is 2. It will be 25. 7x is equal to 25. Now we have to vanish this 7. We don't want this 7 because we want to know the value of x. Right? What we will do? Dividing both sides by 7. See, if we divide both sides by 7, what will happen? This implies 7 get cancelled. X is equal to 25 by 7. Okay. So what we have done here? Dividing both sides by 7. Therefore, x is equal to 25 by 7 is the solution. Of the given equation, that is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Okay. Now we will see the 10th problem. So 10th one, 14y minus 8 is equal to 30. See a solution. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. This is the given thing. Now see, first we will transpose this 8 to the RHS. Okay, that will become 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. What do you write? Transposing 8 to the RHS. Okay, 14y, 13 plus 8 is 21. Y is equal to, now see students, now we want to vanish this 14. We don't want this 14. What to do? We will divide both side by 14. Okay, so dividing both side by 14. What will get? 14 is going to get cancelled. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Y is equal to 3. So what we have done here? Dividing both side by 14. Okay, therefore y is equal to 3 is the solution. Of 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, now we will see the next 11th problem. Say 11th one, 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now see students, solution, we will write the given thing. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. See here, we want the value of p here. First we will remove 17 from here. How to remove? Simple. We are going to transpose this 17 to the where? RHS. Yes or no? What it will become? 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. It will be 8 minus 8. Okay, what we have done here? Transposing 17 to the RHS. Okay, so now we want to remove 6 from here. What to do, students? You only tell me. So many problems you have solved now. Just think it. We have to divide both side by 6. So dividing both side by 6. Now see, 6 will get vanished. Yes. Yeah. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So what is the answer? P is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. What we are writing a reason? Here, dividing both side by 6. So therefore P is equal to 4 by 3 is the solution of 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Okay, so now we will see the last problem. 12th one here. Here x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 50. See a solution. We want to know the value of x here, right? What we will do? First we will remove this one. How to remove? Transposing 1 to the RHS. Write the given things here. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So here we will transpose that. Okay. 7 by 15 minus 1. So what is the reason you are writing here? Transposing 1 to the RHS. Okay. So what it will become? X by 3 is equal to, take the LCM of 15 and 1. The LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. 15 ones are 1, 15s are 7 ones are 7 minus 15. So x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 is what? Minus 8 by 15. Okay. So what is the next step it will be? Tell me. So what next step will be? Okay. Tell me what next step will be here. Now I want to, we have simplified this. I want to remove this 3 from here. What to do? Simple. Multiply both sides by 3. So if you multiply both sides by 3, definitely this 3 will going to be vanished. Yes or no? Here 3 will going to get cancelled. Here 3 ones are 3 5s are. So what is that? X is equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 by 5 is the solution of x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Okay. So this completes your exercise 3.1. So here we come to know how to find out the solution of the equation. Okay. Thank you. We will see in the next class.